Okay, we're now going to look at the level 7 task. Extend our composition to 16 bars showing a clear structure. So this is fairly straightforward to do. I'm not asking you to develop anything yet, just to structure the parts so that they form, they form a clear structure over 16 bars. So as a rule of thumb, every 4 bars we want something to happen. So we can start with our drums and our sample. And our sample we're not really going to touch. We don't have to develop our sample for this task. So I'm going to make this go to the full 16 bars. That sample. The drums I might want to edit later. So yeah, but for now, let me loop that. So I'm going to have these going throughout. And then with my original parts then, we can start to structure. So we'll start with just the sample and the drums. And then we have the chords coming in after that. So let's hear how that sounds so far. Yeah, and then maybe I have the melody coming in next. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And then the bass comes in. And it can come in with all of these because it didn't actually sound that bad. Okay, so here we go. Oh, what has it said? Oh, whoops. There we go. There we go. Okay, so here's 16 bars and there's a clear structure, increase in texture. So let's have a listen.